Welcome to 779 Elaine Street in the city of Pomona, presented by Linda Castellano. This is your chance to own a highly desired single-story, 3-bed, 1-bath home with great curb appeal. The large front yard and long driveway guides you toward the steps leading into the front door. The living area features 2 windows that let in an abundance of natural light, while the eat-in kitchen has direct access to the garage and backyard. Relax or entertain your family and friends in this spacious backyard, which features a wood patio deck, jacuzzi, shed, concrete and a grass area, as well as a lemon tree, RV potential, and double gates with access to the alley. The 3 ample-sized bedrooms each have mirrored closets, while the shared bathroom has a tiled shower and flooring. This home is close to the 10, 57, and 71 freeways, Lincoln Park Historic District, Cal Poly Pomona, Pomona Fairplex, home of the LA County Fair, local parks, Pudding Stone Lake, several schools, civic center, and so much more. This one will sell fast. Don't miss out on this opportunity. Contact Linda Castellano today to learn more.